yung hiring nila, VA role, Client Success Manager with Basic Social Media Management. Rate $9.50 to $15 per hour. So, nandito si Coconut VA. So, be part of this amazing team. They always make sure that their VAs are happy by providing them the best pay and benefits. That is what we call the win-win-win culture. So, if you can see yung kanilang website, napaka-simple pero iba yung dating kumbaga. And then, makikita nyo na agad yung qualification ng Coconut VA. Meron silang communication skills, equipment, and experience. So, sa basic requirements nila ay kailangan nyo daw ng yung specification ng inyong processor ay Intel Core i3, memory, and then hard disk drive, and operating system. So, ayan yung mga basic system requirements ni Coconut VA. So ano naman yung hiring process nila? So, they have qualifying quiz and paper screening, initial interview, client screening, client interview, trial period, and yung onboarding. So, napaka-transparent nila when it comes to hiring process. So, you have like 1, 2, and then like 3 interviews. Parang ganon. So, kasi may initial, may client screening, and then may client interview. So, ayan. And then, find out if you are the next Coconut VA. So, kailangan nyo daw i-take yung quiz. So, as you can see, wala silang yung hiring nila, yung jobs na open. So, ang kailangan mo munang gawin ay yung mag-take ng quiz dun sa kanilang website. So, ayan. Coconut VA pre-qualifying assessment na agad. So, ayan. Kailangan nyo daw itong i-take. So, if click natin. So, are you based in Philippines? Yes or no lang. So, how much experience have you had as a remote worker? So, more than 2 years. Have you had experience in supporting foreign businesses? So, more than 2 years. And then, what is your English proficiency rating? Let's say C1. How many hours are you available to work per week? Let's say 40 hours. So, what hourly rate in USD are you expecting? So, if mataas na yung skills nyo or yung experience nyo, pwede nyo naman ilagay yung 15 plus per hour. So, let's say $5 to $7 per hour lang. So, you have the potential to be a Coconut VA. So, your level experience, English proficiency, highly valued and align perfectly with the qualities of a strong candidate. This means that you have qualified to go through our application process. So, by clicking below, you will be routed to application form. So, ayan. So, pag kinlik natin yung apply now, so, dito na lalabas yung VA application form. So, you need to fill out the full name, gender, where are you based in the Philippines, registered phone number, email. So, ayan, meron pang CEFR English proficiency level. So, meron naman siyang pagpipilian. And then, so, yung mga tools, softwares, platforms na meron kang experience. So, and then, indicate the job code. So, papakita ko sa inyo later kung saan makikita yung job code or role. So, ayan. And then, what hourly rate in USD you are expecting? So, ayan, 5 to 7 hanggang $15 per hour. So, So, kung makikita nyo, meron ditong Coconut VA profile. Pag kinlik natin yan, so, mapupunta tayo sa Coconut VA resume template. So, meron silang sariling template. So, pagdating sa resume. So, ayan, pag kinlik natin yan, yung update, use template for new design. So, ma-edit nyo na yung template niya. So, kailangan nyo ilagay yung professional skills nyo, work experience, yung role, position, company, and yung year. So, meron din dapat description dun sa mga responsibilities nyo, dun sa role na yun, or dun sa position na yun. And then, software and education. So, click natin yung second page, and then, ito lang naman ay guidelines. So, ayan. So, kailangan nyo i-fill out ito using Canva and then download. So, pag na-download nyo na, ilalagay nyo na siya dito. So, i-upload nyo siya. So, hindi allowed yung ibang resume na, yung ordinary resume natin. So, meron silang sariling template pagdating sa resume. And then, 1-minute intro video using Loom. And then, yan, meron silang video tips and guidelines. And then, sagutan natin yung last question. So, how did you learn about Coconut VA? So, ayan, meron naman mga choices dyan. And then, click submit. So, ako kasi hindi ko natapos yung application na to. Hindi ko kasi ginawa yung kanilang resume template. So, na-busy na kasi ako. So, nakaka-receive ako ng kanilang newsletter about sa mga jobs na offer nila. So, makikita nyo dito, job code. So, ayan. And then, so, Coconut VA is hiring. So, ito yung VA role. So, click Client Success Manager with basic social media management, job code 2492, and then yung rate nila is $9.50 to $15 per hour. And then, so, check if you qualify here. If i-click natin to, mapupunta tayo sa pre-qualifying assessment ulit. Kasi nga hindi ko siya natapos. Kung makikita nyo, ito lang yung fill out natin kanina. So, dyan, mag-start ulit ako. So, ito yung responsibilities ni social media management, take full ownership of assigned client accounts, ensuring all deliverables are met. So, ayan. And non-negotiables ay good communication skills, oral and written. So, yan. Meron silang mga non-negotiable na experience. So, meron din silang availability 20 hours per week, 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. EST and 2 to 5 p.m. EST. So, meron ulit ditong check if you qualify here. So, pupunta ulit kayo dun sa pre-qualifying assessment. So, ayun guys. So, ayun si Coconut VA. So, since na-fill out niyo yung VA template, so kailangan nyo lang i-upload dito and then yung short video. So, ayun lang guys, yun yung process ni Coconut VA. As you can see, wala silang kalagay na jobs dun sa kanilang website. So, kailangan nyo talagang i-take yung kanilang assessment para masandan kayo ng mga available na jobs nila. At the same time, makokontak nila kayo kung anong merong available jobs. So, ayun guys, ayun yung application ni Coconut VA. So, kailangan yung ikompletuhin yung kanilang or gamitin yung kanilang resume template para makapag-apply dun sa kanilang application form. So, ayan guys. Kasi nga hindi ko kinumpleto, so pero nakaka-receive ako ng mga jobs na open ni Coconut VA. So, once na makompleto nyo na lahat yon using their resume template, yung kanilang video intro, so, submit nyo lang dito. And then, they're going to contact you naman for the assessment. So, or for interview. So, yun guys, ganun lang yung kanyang process. So, wala kasi silang wala kayong makikita na jobs na open ni Coconut VA. So, they're the one who's going to contact you. So, kailangan lahat na ng skills nyo, lahat na ng experience nyo, ilagay nyo na agad dun sa kanilang resume template para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga jobs na opening nila once they're contact you. So, yun guys. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa job offer ni Madiskarteng Pinay. Grazie!